Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong video posted by Dare to Us. Grabe, si Attorney Lorna Capunan. Paulit-ulit na lang siyang nasusupalpal ng presiding officer. Ito, bagong simula yung day 12 of impeachment trial, kahapon nag-request siya ng recess, 3-minute recess, para daw makaupo o pinagbigyan ng presiding officer. Ngayon naman, kasi simula pa lang, nag-request na naman kaagad siya ng recess. This time, denied. Pakinggan natin ha.
Thank you, Your Honors. To the Senate impeachment judges and to the presiding officer and Senate President, I beg the indulgence of this honorable court to start this with a recess.
Recess.
The reason this is necessary, Your Honor, is because yesterday, when prosecution asked for a recess with the permission or consent of the counsel for the respondent, we started to identify and cross-check the 845 acknowledgement receipts. Unfortunately, time ran out, and our assisting counsels only were able to show half of it, Your Honors. Although this court will recall that under Rule 130, Section 3, in coordination with Section 7, we were able to mark a tabulation or a summary prepared personally by this witness, Your Honor, to preempt any possible objection of the respondents and any manifestation that they were not allowed to compare the copies of our exhibits and their own exhibits as regards the rest of the acknowledgement receipts, Your Honor, unless they will stipulate that there is no need, Your Honor, then it becomes necessary for a brief recess, Your Honor.
Counsel, for what purpose is the recess?
Your Honor, please, yesterday, when we resumed hearing yesterday, Your Honor,
Hindi naintindihan sa talino, galing ni presiding officer Escudero, hindi niya naintindihan. Kaya pinawala, what's the purpose of your recess? Nagpaliwanag na si Capunan, bakit siya mag-request ng, kasi simula pa lang, request kaagad ng recess. Malabo eh. Para ipagpatuloy daw yung marking of evidences. Ganun ba yun?
and we were going over these 3 boxes and several folders, Your Honor. It had to abruptly stop because we had resumed session. And at that time, our associates noted that kalahati lang po ang natapos sa pag-compare.
Compare.
Counsel, the presiding officer will have a query first beforehand. Yesterday, you presented a summary and a table of his findings based on the 845 acknowledgement receipts contained in the
3 boxes.
3 boxes.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you presented some samples. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 examples rather. So you mean to say you want to present more acknowledgement receipts as samples as part of the tabulation of the witness?
No, Your Honor. What we would like to do now and inquire from counsel for the respondent is if it's no longer necessary for your associates to look over the said acknowledgement receipts, Your Honor, if they can manifest that and to preempt any possible technical objection in the future on their cross-examination or upon offer of these exhibits, Your Honor. Because these exhibits will have to be offered in due time. And we do not want it as an objection to the offer that they were not able to compare the rest of the acknowledgement receipts, Your Honor. Now, to preempt that, if counsel is willing to forego with that potential objection, Your Honor, we're ready to proceed.
You're talking of only the acknowledgement receipts for the period covering December 21 to December 31, 2022.
Yes, Your
Is that what
Honor.
you're referring to? I think I know what Council for Respondent will already say, but yes, Council for Respondent, what is your comment on the manifestation of the Council for the Panel of Prosecutors?
Your Honor, we haven't stipulated on anything, so I don't see why there's a need to compare, actually. We haven't stipulated on anything.
Actually, Attorney Kapunan, Counsel for the Respondent already said yesterday that just subject to cross insofar
Yeah.
as the non-stipulated matters is concerned.
That's correct.
The Counsel for Respondent stipulated on everything you asked for in your list of documents except for that. Except for the acknowledgement receipts for the period covering December 21 to 31, 2022. My understanding, Counsel, is that you will be presenting samples from the tabulation or summary of the witness. And as I said, you presented already 6. You may proceed to present samples or examples under each category of his table without prejudice, however many they may be, subject to your call and discretion, given the refusal to stipulate by the Counsel for Respondent, which is, of course, they would be well within their rights not to do so, given their own legal theory of the case.
We submit, Your Honor.
So kindly proceed, Counsel.
Yan.
Arguments.
So, denied. Yung mag-recess sila. Kasi ang gusto ni Attorney Kapunan, itong defense mag-stipulate na huwag nang i-cross-examine later on yung mga resibo. Ang mga resibo from December 21 to December 30 na mga resibo, clearing documents ng confidential funds ni BP Sara. Ang gustong mangyari ng prosecution, wag nang i-cross-examine ang mga yun. Ay, hindi pwede. Pagdating ng panahon, i-cross-examine namin yan. Kaya, wala kaming stipulation dyan. Kaya, walang recess. Ayun, nasupalpal na naman si Atty. Lorna Kapunan. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo naman sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video nito.
Karon yan ako sa balay sa natabangan na mo og yero. So muna yung itsura sa iyang atop, kung madagko na og buslot. Pangbutangan ng ganit sa sublok. So mo na ni ang among gihatag nga yero nga iatop karon. O karon managid sa pag-atop ang ginatabang nga yero, so makita nato nga nag-atop na gid sila sa ilang balay. Napulihan na gid tong mga boss.
Sa Ginoo nga napulian ang gid akong atop nga 20 na katuig nga atop kay sa naghatag sa sin.
So 20 na ka tuig tong
20
imong
na
atop.
katuig akong atop nga karon pag idan iris di kay naay naghatag sa amo ang kuan hero. Wala pa sa nagtabang tamo nga dili pag yun mi magkaatop kay ang among kintaan kulang pa sa among pagkaon.
So salamat kay ante.
Salamat kaayo gyud.